Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to see what is the meaning of a raised to minus m. Friends, if you will observe it carefully, you will come to know that base is positive and index is negative. So, whenever index is negative, what is the meaning of it? First thing. Second thing, base is a natural number. Okay, or base is not a base is a natural number. Yeah, it is not a fraction. Clear? So let us see. Once again we are going to prove it based on one rule of a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Let us see what is meant by this. Suppose the question is 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 5. So how we will write it? We will write it as 2 into 2 into 2 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So that is equals to, by applying test of divisibilities, 2 1s are 2, 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 2 1s are 2. So at the numerator 1 multiplying itself so many times 1. At the denominator 2 into 2, 2 raised to 2. Clear? So 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 5 is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Clear? But by the rule of indices, 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 5 is equals to 2 raised to 3 minus 5. Am I clear? Whenever we are dividing indices with same base, we are subtracting second index from the first index. So 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 5 is equals to 2 raised to 3 minus 5, which is equals to 2 raised to minus 2. Right? So left hand side of this equation and right hand side of this equation is same. So eventually you can say, therefore you can say 1 upon 2 raised to 2 is equals to 2 raised to minus 2. Clear, friends? So can we say that 2 raised to minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to 2? If the index is negative, its answer is equals to 1 upon positive index. The question is 7 raised to 4 divided by 7 raised to 7. Okay. What will be its answer based on the rule of indices? It will be 7 raised to 4 minus 7, which is nothing but 7 raised to minus 3. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. And what will be its answer based on the test of divisibilities? So that is equals to 7 raised to 4 means 7 multiplied by 7 itself 4 times, upon 7 raised to 7 means 7 divided by 7 itself 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And by applying test of divisibilities, here this 7 will cut. 7 on the 7, 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 7 on the 7. So what is remained? 1 upon 7 into 7 into 7, which is nothing but 1 upon 7 raised to 3. Right? So can we say that 7 raised to minus 3 is equals to this 1 upon 7 raised to 3. Right? So have we inferred a rule that a raised to minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to plus m? 2 raised to minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to plus 2. 7 raised to minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 7 raised to plus 3. Let us see with one more last example. Suppose the question is 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 8. Okay. So that is equals to, based on the rules of indices, 5 raised to 4 minus 8, which is nothing but 5 raised to minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. And based on test of divisibilities, 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 8 is equals to 5 multiplied by 5 itself 4 times upon 5 multiplied by 5 itself 8 times. So by applying test of divisibilities, 1, 2, 3, 4 5's will cut, and what will remain at the denominator? 1 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is nothing but 1 upon 5 raised to 4. So 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 8 is equals to 5 raised to minus 4. 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 8 is equals to 1 upon 5 raised to plus 4. So can we say that 5 raised to minus 4 is equals to 1 upon 5 raised to plus 4, right? So we found a rule that a raised to minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to plus m. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.